morning, YouTube. This is DaretoBeCreative. Welcome to my channel. I want to say hello. And I'm making this video in the middle of my all-day Zoom crowd with all my girls. So, all the 757 crew, and we got Tanya from Memory Lane Keepsakes. Hey! We got Lisa from Miss Little Scrappy. We got Susan from Susie Crew Crafter 21. We got Donna from Donna on, but she doesn't have IG. She only has IG. Can't talk. She only has IG. Don is D_K_craft. I think I said that right. Yeah. And then we also have Sheba from Sheba Finds. And then we're up here all day doing an all-day scrapbook. But I am up here real quickly to do a Dollar Tree haul. I don't know when it's going to be posted. And by the time we get off this, it won't get posted. I'll be tired. But anyway, I'm going to have some stuff on my Instagram post with a lot of the stickers and stuff, which you've probably seen that are in the store, which I haven't had a chance to post. But anyway, these are the permanent white sticker markers. You can use your permanent markers, Sharpies and stuff on it, and you can die cut it and punch out of it. So, and it already had a sticky back, so that's kind of why I got those for, not necessarily just to make labels, but to, because it's just a roll, to punch out of it and already have a label back. Then they had tons of different jewel stickers in different colors. So I got some of these. These were the designs right here. I think that's all the colors for that one. Then they had these in the hot pink and even in the light pink. So they had all of these. And again, these are like, I think 8 by 8 in the length. 8 by 8, I mean 8 inches is what I'm saying. That's what it looks like off the top of my head. Actually, it is almost 8.5, well, 8.5. Almost, I'm going to say about 8 5/8. So not quite 9 inches. And these, like if you want to make borders out of them. Yeah, that's about 8 1/4. And then these 12 inches, and you've seen these before. And I know you've seen these before as well. And they had probably about 8 designs. They have the soccer, the baseball, the basketball, which is right here, the football. Oh, did I not put the cheerleading one? Damn it, I meant to get that, the cheerleading one. They were all blinged out. I didn't get the football and the baseball. You know, my boys play football, my grandson played baseball. But I don't know if I will put the blinged out ones on theirs. I got these two because my daughter did play basketball. She did play a ton of soccer. All different types of soccer. So I could see me using that on her page. She also cheered, so that's why I'm surprised I don't have, unless I dropped it. Because I could have sworn I had the cheerleading one. But anyway, they have a lot of those blings. I just didn't get the other ones because I didn't think I would use them on my boys' stuff. So, well, I know I wouldn't, so that's why I didn't get them. They did have these stickers. They had a ton of other stickers too. I didn't get them. I put them back. I had them in my cart, and I put them back because I'm like, So, this one says, loved. We love because he first loved us. She is strong. Don't be afraid. Just believe. Mark 5:36. Saved by grace. Ephesians 2:8. Love never fails. You got your faith, joy. Faith, amazing grace. Be a blessing to others. Love is patient. Love is kind. And I'll probably go back and get duplicates of these. Anyway, that is my small haul from the Dollar Tree. So thank you for stopping by, liking and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.